Hi, my name is Janet Driscoll Miller, and in this lecture we're going to review the Source Medium Report. And you'll get the full lecture for the Source Medium Report in this lecture, but there are additional lectures you can learn more about Google Analytics reporting in a new course we have on Udemy for acquisition reports in Google Analytics, and Source Medium is one of those reports. The great thing about the Source Medium Report is that it shows you where traffic is coming from to get to your site and what type of traffic it is. So as an example, a source might be Google and a medium might be organic search. So that's really a great way for you to see what channels and what marketing efforts are really paying off for you. So we're going to go through the entire Source Medium Report lecture here. You'll get that lecture for free. But again, if you'd like to check out all of the acquisition reports, you can do so in our class on Udemy. And there you'll also get access to discussions with me if you have any questions about how the reports work and other materials that we add to the course. So I hope you enjoy the Source Medium Report lecture, and I hope you'll join us for our other Udemy course as well. The Source and Medium report shows both the source and the medium in the same report. You can do that through a number of different reports, but this way it's just defaulted for you. An example of the source again would be the actual platform it came from, like Google as a source, or LinkedIn, or Bing. And a medium example would be the type of channel you're looking at here. In this case, maybe organic, or maybe paid, or advertising, and you can set up your own mediums and sources as well through custom tagging and through some other ways in Google Analytics. So let's take a look at that report now. So in Google Analytics, we find the Source Medium Report under Acquisition in the left-hand navigation under All Traffic. There's the Source Medium Report there. Now, if we take a closer look at the Source Medium Report, similar to how we've seen data presented in other areas of Google Analytics, you see here we're organizing this by the source, which is typically like the platform as an example, like Google or Twitter, and the medium right after it, which in this case might be organic or a post or any number of different options. And again, just as we mentioned in the channels report, you can set these sources and mediums yourself. So in the case here of LinkedIn post as an example, this is one that we have set and automatically tagged with links we have coming from posts we put on LinkedIn. Same thing with this Twitter post one here as an example. So this report really just gives you a breakdown of what is bringing the most traffic into your site. You can also look at information like goal conversions, like e-newsletter signups, what's driving the most of different goals. And it's just a quick way for you to take a look at that. You can also break this down by looking at just the source, just the medium. Now, I also have a warning here for keyword. We'll come back to that in a minute. But if you look at source as an example, maybe you want to see which platform is most successful for you. In this case, for me, it's Google. I can also look at the medium, like is organic search the best? And in this case, for us, it is this particular month. Now, the keyword report here, and we'll see this in other areas as well, you'll often see for the keyword report, not provided and or not set, as you see at the top here. That's because both Google and Bing, who are the two major search engines, are now hiding, encrypting all of their keyword data from organic search, not from paid search, but from organic search. So if someone clicks on a search engine result for you, for your company, and they come to your website, you will no longer receive that information, that keyword that they searched for to find your company. So this report is really, for the most part, not very helpful, the keyword report. So I wouldn't really worry too much about the keywords, but I would look at certainly the sources and mediums to see what is driving traffic to your site and what might need work.